Tired of hearing no more? It has been too long since you heard that one. Tired of hearing now over again? Do you want to change that? Did you know that most people have a tendency to repeat things over again? Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about tired of hearing no more. It has been too long since you heard that one. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. That means if you keep repeating yourself, people start believing that you don't really mean what you say and they start to resent you. Well, guess what? You are going to get tired of hearing that kind of stuff. You deserve to be heard and you deserve to be respected. So what are you going to do? Let someone else take care of it? What are you going to do when you are tired of being ignored and tired of people ignoring you? How are you going to change things? For starters, you are not going to try to convince them. You are not going to argue with them. And most importantly, you are not going to complain. Here's the thing though, now is not going to change anyone's mind. It may have made you feel like you were doing something good for a while, but that was probably just your ego speaking. You know that feeling when you feel like you have been given a little bit more than you wanted in return for doing something you didn't really like doing. You know that feeling and you can understand why others would be tired of hearing it all the time. So do yourself a favor. Instead of wasting your time arguing, make sure you are doing things that make you feel good. That way, when you are tired of hearing no, you will have something positive to talk about. And the best way to talk about something you are passionate about is by doing it. And the best way to get started is to make sure you are following your passions. If you love to sing, try singing lessons. If you want to learn to play an instrument, sign up for lessons. You'll be surprised at just how fast you can pick up a new instrument or start learning a favorite song. In addition, do the things that make you happy. That might mean joining a hiking group or going out on a hike after work. It could mean taking your kids to daycare on a Saturday morning. Taking time for yourself is so important. You will be amazed at how much more time you spend at home alone if you are having fun. Finally, be creative with what you say to yourself over again. If you are tired of hearing no all the time, imagine what it would feel like to hear it all the time. Or if you are having trouble getting up in the mornings, imagine what it would feel like to get up and immediately start doing something exciting. Whatever you do, don't listen to the nagging voice inside your head. You have to fight it every single day if you want to have peace of mind. When that gnawing voice tries to tell you that there is nothing in the day that will make you happy, fight it. Look around the room as though you were looking at a picture of an absolutely wonderful day. Smile as you remember all of the great activities that happened during the day. Listen to your favorite music of any kind when you lie in bed, whether you are trying to fall asleep or trying to stay awake. If you cannot fall asleep, play some soothing music to give you the proper sleep that you need. If you cannot stay awake, read your favorite books during the day, even if it is just a short story. You want to make sure that you are giving your body the proper rest that it needs. When you wake up, you will feel so much more energized than you did the night before. Now that you are officially back at work, schedule a few extra hours in the evening to catch up on what has occurred during the day. Do not spend this time watching television, magazines, or other forms of entertainment. You need to get out and live your life. You may feel very rejuvenated by simply walking around your neighborhood and enjoying the fresh air. You may feel less stressed if you take a bit of time to sit outside and enjoy the warm days and cool nights. The key to alleviating your tired feeling is to find something to do that you enjoy doing. Whatever you do, you need to start forming new habits. This can be difficult, especially if you are still used to sleeping in until midnight, but once you form new habits, your tiredness will be gone. Start a relaxation routine. Sit in a comfortable chair with your legs up and stretch to loosen the tension in your muscles. Once you feel better, you will find that your tiredness is gone and you will start to feel more energized. Thanks for watching my video about tired of hearing no more. It has been too long since you heard that one. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.